How to get extra discount in Hostinger Premium Web Hosting Plan. You can see that if you go to the Hostinger pricing section by the normal method, there is a 75% discount available for a 48 months period. But if you use the exclusive link given in this video's description, you can see that for the same 48 months in the Premium Web Hosting Plan, we get a 80% discount. Hostinger is known for offering great web hosting services at affordable rates. And with the special link in our description, you can get an extra 20% off on the premium plan, on top of the existing discounts. Whether you're starting a new website or upgrading an existing one, this deal will help you save on hosting costs. So don't wait, click the link, and start building your website with Hostinger today while saving big. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool to write SEO-optimized content, then check the video on the left. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that generates animated captions for videos, then check the video on the right. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.